Hi guys, welcome to quick Excel tutorial for beginners. If you have not seen my other videos, then please click on the link below to watch them. And don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and also click on the notification button to be notified when I upload new videos. Thank you. There are 6 basic useful Excel functions that you need to know. We have concatenate, we have left, we have right, mid, line, and find functions. These are very basic but also useful if you know how to use them. So let's crack on. Okay, so today I'll show you how to use the concatenate function to join two items together. So the typical example is we have received this data from a different data source. Unfortunately for us, the first and the last names are split into two cells. So we have the first name in column A and we have the last name in column B. This is not the way we want our data to look, and with this type of data, we can't work with it. So how do we go about it? We first need to join the first and the last name in one cell before we can start working on our data. So this is where concatenate becomes very useful. So let's write our concatenate function to join the first and the last name for us. Equal to concat, okay? You select concat, and then Excel is asking you your first argument. So we want the first name, comma, and then please don't forget to type open parenthesis, okay? And then space, close parenthesis, comma. Let me explain to you what the open and the close parenthesis does. So the open parenthesis and the close parenthesis with space in between actually create a space between the first and the last name, as you will see shortly. So now Excel is asking you your last argument. So that is the last name in column B2. Close bracket and enter. Boom. Excel has now joined the first and the last name for you in one cell. Very useful function. Now, let me explain something quickly here. Now, you see we have the open and the close parenthesis with space. Let's assume that we forgot to bring the space. So we take the space off, enter. Now see what happened. Excel, has still joined the first and the last name for us, but this time around without space. So it's telling us Tom Craig is one name, but Tom Craig is not one name. So it's very important you remember to bring the space between the open and the close parenthesis. Well, if we're okay with it, you just populate your formula down and boom, now we have first and last name in one cell. Concatenate is very useful function if you know how to use it. It's not difficult at all. Keep practicing and you get there. Thank you.